Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by blocking the U's outer and inner boundaries to lock proportions. Draw a tall rectangle for the outer edge, then inset a smaller rectangle about 0.51 cm inside to show thickness. This gives you the stroke width. Once done, place a horizon line and choose a single vanishing point so depth is consistent. Make sure to lightly sketch these guides. They'll be erased later, because perspective determines where the 3D edges converge and how convincing the form looks. Now refine the U's shape. Convert the bottom of the inner rectangle into a smooth semicircle so the letter reads correctly. Project the outer and inner vertical edges back to your vanishing point to establish consistent depth along both sides. Once those projection lines are set, connect them to create the back faces. You should add narrow parallel lines along the top of each stroke to indicate the bevel or top surface. This clarifies which planes face you and which recede. To finish, erase construction marks and strengthen the final outlines so the U reads crisp against the page. Shade each visible plane. Use darker values on the recessed back faces, medium tones on the side faces, and a light highlight on the top edge to imply a light source. Once done, smooth transitions and adjust line weight for visual weight. If something looks skewed, recheck your vanishing point alignment and that each edge projects correctly. Correcting those makes the whole 3D effect snap into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.